This way the family of child 1, that is 10th, kept expanding. That was the kind of non-terminating or non-recurring family. Now the second child, that is 100th of the family, had one child. This child got married and was blessed by one child. This way the chain of the family kept on growing, having one child in every generation. So this way the child 200th had a recurring, that is repeating family pattern. However, the third child, named as 1000th of the family, did not marry, so there were no further generation expansion. This way child third, that is 1000th of the family, named as decimals, had a termination of the further generation. Now this whole story we have designed in the form of a flowchart to make it more understandable, which is at the back. So like this, the family name is decimal. Then this family had 3 children, child 1, which is termed as 10th, then child 2, 100th, and then child 3, 1000. Now these 3 children we have taken as 3 different situations. Now if we are talking about child 1, that is 10th place, after marriage it had 2 children, and then child 1 again after marriage had 3 children, child 2 also had 3 children. This way the generation kept on growing from generation to generation. So this we have given an example of non-recurring decimals. Now the second situation, which is child 2, where after marriage this child 2 just had one child, and then in the same pattern every generation kept on growing. Every generation had one child, which we had given as recurring pattern. Now the child 3, which is the 1000, this is another situation where this child third did not marry, and so he could not further expand his family, so it stopped here, which is again an example of terminating pattern. So this way we have designed the story.